Well, how's it going, everybody? It is a great day to be on the road today. I was at home doing some work, made another math video this morning. I recorded a video last night riding my bike and I got that ready. And it should be up by now if you're watching this video. So I got that uploaded and scheduled to post. And so I just decided I'm gonna hop on the bike and go for a ride. I got a few things that I want to do, a few errands I need to run, but I think I'm gonna ride down to the bridge before I go do them. So it's on the other side of town. I don't know, I guess it's about maybe 4 or 5 miles to the bridge, and then on the way back we'll stop and get our errands done. And I hope the sound is picking up. I hope the sound's picking up. I got my lav mic on today. I did get my new TRS cable to hook it up to my GoPro. The only bad thing about the GoPro is you can't tell if the audio's working. There's nothing to look at to see if you're picking up audio. You basically gotta record talking to your mic and then play the video back. So hopefully the video's working. It should be. I did test it with the new cords when I first got them, and the audio worked. So I think it was the cable was messed up. But yeah, and I hope the sound is better with the lav mics. But yeah, today it's 66 degrees and sunny. It is today's the April 7th, 2022. And it feels good outside. I got a long sleeve shirt on. It's a little cool riding, but now I tell you this, it was chilly last night. Well, that's a neat, I guess that's a trike up there. It was chilly last night riding. I think it was in the 50s last night. But let this car go by. But yeah, we'll head on down to the bridge and see what's going on. I've got it I'm in pedal assist 3, and I'm pedaling, I'm not throttling, but just make sure I have enough battery to get back, which I believe I will. I'll be fine. I could probably throttle most of the way or go in pedal assist 4, but I'll just keep it in 3. There's Sunny Panzico's Garden Mart. Looks like they're doing some work. Let's go on. Yeah, I think on the way back, I'm gonna stop by the store right here and pick up some hamburger meat and hamburger buns. I think I'm gonna grill some hamburgers tonight. Whenever I make hamburgers, I always get my hamburger meat there at Max. They got the best hamburger meat in town. I've gotten it from Walmart before, but it's just not as good. Now Sam's hamburger meat isn't too bad. But I can't ride my bike out to Sam's. It's a little too far. Oh, they got stuff all over the sidewalk, don't they? Yeah, Sam's is a little too far to ride my bike. You gotta go on the interstate to get there. So, and it's probably, I know it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get to Sam's by car, so, and plus I'm not gonna ride my bike on the interstate. Well, I haven't come this way in a while on my bike, so I actually got my bike ride app on Map My Ride, I think it's called. So I've got that app on. I'm kind of anxious to see how many miles it is to the bridge. Go and get on the other side. There's a car coming. Goes the police. Thing's not even picking up me. They got a little thing set up to show you how fast you're going. It didn't even pick me up. Now they're supposed to build a walking and biking trail that connects all the parks together. I don't know when they're going to start it, but they're supposed to do it. I hope they do it, but you never know. Now they did get the walking trail. They did get a walking trail done. It's up here in front of me. It's on the other side of the road over there. That used to be a golf course, and they turned it into play. They put walking paths all on it. I know it had some from the golf course, but I think they added some more. And you drive by there now and you always see people out there walking. So we'll drive through the police station here. So we're heading to the bridge. There's a pretty good place to eat right there, Granny's Buffet. It's they're only open for lunch. That guy just about took off and ran into me. He wasn't paying attention. Sharp turn right here. This road's busy today. we don't have too much further until we get to the bridge. Trash cans in the sidewalk. So the bridge is just right up here. Looks like they got a lane closed there. So the bridge is just right up here. I just want to ride over here, see how high the water is. And then we'll ride back into town and get the errands done. So here we are. Oh, that water, I tell you, the water looks like it's pretty high. It's been raining quite a bit, but I tell you, that wind is blowing. We'll ride down to the other side and then we'll head on back. Well, let's see if we can't get my phone back on and see if we can see. We'll see if we can't see how far we've ridden so far. Showing me how far it is. I'm guessing it's about 4 or 5 miles. I would say probably closer to 5. But there's Washita River. Let's see. I think you can probably see that pretty good. Oh, that wind's bad. so now it's back into town. Well, I guess this is kind of town too. It's the other side of town. Back over there into town, closer to where I live. And get our errands done. So we got back down that long road, and so we just need to come up here and turn a right, take a right, and we'll be heading to the bank and then to the grocery store, pick up some stuff to grill some burgers tonight. There's that wind. That wind, I tell you, coming back down that long road, I sped up the video down it. Man, that wind was bad. I was going about, when I tried to throttle, I was doing about 15, 16 miles an hour. Normally it'll hit about 22 when I'm throttling. So, all right, I hope you see me. So the wind isn't too bad right now. Well, I tell you, these sidewalks, they need to flatten them out more, going from the road up onto the sidewalk. Tell you, I can't get over how windy it is. right, so we are done here at the bank. And now we just need to head to stop by the grocery store on the way home, get the hamburger meat, hamburger buns, and I will fire up the grill tonight. I tell you, there's that wind kicking up again. So let's see if we can't get through this roundabout here. Looks like somebody else rode their bike up here.
You want some boiled carrots? Yeah, and I'm coming. No, I want you to go get what the scratch off is. The scratch off is
So we're done at the grocery store. Got everything I need to grill. So we're heading back to the house. Feels like the wind's kicked up some more. But you know, I think I'm gonna call it a video as usual. I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. But I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.